In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add beneficiary in HDFC corporate banking. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to manage your beneficiaries, sign into your account and access the dashboard for HDFC Bank. So you can do this on a web browser through your computer or your phone. Once you access the web portal and you go inside of the dashboard, if you look at the top right corner of the screen, you will see the option to view beneficiary. So this is where you will be able to manage and add new beneficiaries to your HDFC bank account. So choose this option and immediately upon selecting view beneficiary, you should see yourself on the list and then the option to add new ones. So using this plus sign, you will be able to add new beneficiaries into HDFC bank. So choose that option and immediately upon clicking on this, you will be able to enter the details. So first, choose between adding an HDFC bank beneficiary or other bank beneficiary. Regardless of which one you choose, you will have to input a lot of details about them. So first, a short name here. Then the bank account details, including the account number, account name, and daily payout limit. You can also add an optional note, but for all of these, it is going to be mandatory. So you will have to include short name, account number, account name, and then the daily payout limit. With all of these included, you can confirm and go through the OTP. So verify that you are trying to add someone. Once you approve this beneficiary, they will be listed on this main beneficiary list here. And you can repeat this process with as many beneficiaries as you have. All of them will be listed here, and you can use this button to download the list to keep all of them saved. So all that you have to do is sign into your account on the dashboard and use the view beneficiary option at the top right corner of the screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a beneficiary in HDFC corporate banking. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.